Okay. Okay, so today we are looking at multiplication of number bases. In my class yesterday, we considered addition and subtraction of number bases. So in today's class, we'll be looking at multiplication of number bases, and we'll also be looking at division of number bases. Okay. So, but now we are starting with multiplication of number bases. So we're going to start with a simple example. Multiplication of number bases is very easy if you're careful enough to follow the process. Multiplying values in base 2 is really easy. 1, 0, 1, 1 base 2 multiplied by 1, 1 base 2. Okay. 1, 0, 1, 1 base 2 multiplied by 1, 1 base 2. One multiplied by 1 gives us 1. 1 multiplied by 1 gives us 1. 1 multiplied by 0 gives us 0. 1 multiplied by 1 gives us 1. Okay, so we'll do this again. 1 multiplied by 1 gives us 1. Multiplied by 1 gives us 1. 1 multiplied by 0 is 0. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So now we add them together. So 1 plus nothing is 1. Okay. So 1 plus 1 is 2, but we are working with base 2, and there is no 2 in base 2. So if you convert 2 base 2, what are you going to get? 10. 10, correct. Okay, let's see it. So 2 base 2. 2 divided by 2 is going to give you 1 remainder 0. And then you divide again by 2. 1 divided by 2 gives you 0 remainder 1. So you have 2 base 2 is the same thing as 1 0 base 2. So it's 1 0 base 2. Okay. So 1 plus 1, instead of writing 2, we are going to write down 0 and bring 1 this way. Okay, so 1 plus 0 gives you 1, plus 1 gives you 2. So we have already confirmed that 2 base 2 is equal to 1 0 base 2. So we're going to write 0 and bring 1 here. 1 plus 1, 2, plus 0 is 2. But we need to convert it. So it's going to be 1 0 base 2. So we are also going to have 0 here and put 1 here. So 1 plus 1 gives you 2. Converting it, you're also going to have 1 and 0. So this gives us our answer, base 2. So this is the final answer, 1 0 0 0 0 1 base 2. Okay, let's look at the last example for multiplication, and then we go to division. 2 3 2 is 6 multiplied by 1 3 base 6. So let's put them in. 2 3 2 multiplied by 1 3. So both are in base 6. So we multiply. 3 multiplied by 2 gives us 6. But since we are working with base 6, we cannot have 6 in base 6. So we have to convert it. 6 divided by 6. We are dividing by 6 because we are working with base 6. So 6 divided by 6 gives you 1 remainder 0. And 1 divided by 6 gives you 0 remainder 1. So that means 6 base 6 is the same thing as 1 0 base 6. So instead of having 6 here, we're going to write down 0 and bring 1 this way. Okay. So next, we have 3 times 3. That gives us 9 plus 1. That gives us 10. So are we going to write 0 here and put 1 here? Are we going to, since we have 3 times 3, 9 plus 1, 10, are we going to do 0 and then put 1 here? No. The same thing we have been doing here, we're going to do it again. So we have 10 divided by 6. 10 divided by 6 is 1 remainder 4. And 1 divided by 6 is 0 remainder 1. So 10 base 6 is we are going to write it, consider it as 4 base 6, 14 base 6. That's how we're going to write it. So the 4 is going to be written down, and the 1 is going to be brought here. Okay. So 3 multiplied by 2, that gives us 6. 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1, that gives us 7. So 7 base 6, how are we going to write it? 7 base 6. What is the correct number we are going to use? Instead of using 7 base 6, what do we use? Do we write 7 here? If not, what do we write? Instead of having 7 base 6, we are going to have 1 base 6. And that's what we're going to write. Okay. So for those that are asking, how did we get 7? How did we get 11? Let me do that, please. So we have 7 divided by 6. 7 divided by 6 is 1, remainder 1. 1 divided by 6 is 0, remainder 1. So 1, 1. These are the numbers we are writing. Okay. So we've written it down. So next, 1 times 2 gives you 2. 1 times 3 gives you 3. We don't have any issue with that because all the numbers we're going to get will be less than 6. 1 times 2 gives us 2. So we add them together. So 0 plus nothing gives us 0. 4 plus 2 gives us 6. So we cannot write 6. So 6 base 6. So we have already found out earlier that 6 base 6 is equal to 10 base 6. So we're not going to write 6 here. We're going to write 0 and bring 1 over here. Okay. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2. 2 plus 3 gives us 5. So we have 5 here. And then 1 plus 2 gives us 3. And that's the answer here. 3500 base 6. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to give you guys one question to try out before we go to division. Okay, I couldn't find one. Let me just create one. Okay, so try out this one.